Hey guys, Boker Magnum. I think there are about 50 or so Magnums that Boker has out. This particular brand, it just doesn't differentiate on the blade. It doesn't tell me which one it is. So if you guys know, let me know, okay? There it is. That's what it looks like. And here's the test. Okay. Yeah, it's sharp. Of course, I knew it would be, but you never know, right? So, another successful sharp knife with a mirrored edge from Wicked Edge. It does a great job. If you guys have been considering getting one, I always had promised myself that I would never get one. Because why? Because I sharpen by hand with Japanese water stones. But to be honest, I can obtain the same results and do so a lot faster. So sometimes have to go with the Wicked Edge, even though I prefer sharpening by hand. Stay sharp, keep your knives sharp. If you can't, that's when you send them to me, okay? Thanks guys for your time. Just lubing this Boker Magnum with frog lube, and it's pretty well coated. But it will dry. Good knife here.